This is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is my monthly grocery haul. This month we went to do a small haul from Kroger's, and we did a lot of cleaning supplies from Costos. The host of this collaboration is Small Town 6 and Jessica Myros. Their links is in the description box, and so is a playlist to find out more grocery hauls and more ideas of something new you can find at
Melissa from Buckeye Girls and Things. And then we're at Costco's. We got a Costco haul, and we're going to show you what we got as we load it into the car. If Pad gets out of my way, or I'll hit him with the cart.
I can't put it on here.
Okay, what do we get?
Now we got Pop Mountain Dew. We got a Pepsi. We'll put some in the back. These are heavy. We got this Charmin. You buy so much and you get so much off. And you got
You buy $100 worth of, what is this brand?
Cascade.
And this?
It's oil.
I forget the name of the brand.
Oh, I'll have to look. I'm not sure. Yeah, what else? Oh, you got some of these Swifters.
Yeah, that's
no, not Swifters,
Mr. Clean. That's part of the $100. You buy $100, you get $25 back.
And she got
Cascade. Power Wash at Dawn is already also on the deal.
I'm gonna put some in.
And a lot of these has sales on them already. We got 2 Cascade. We got Club Crackers.
Now we got this.
Yeah, we got Elderberry, but that's not on the deal. We got Tide on the deal. We also got Hawaiian Rolls. We got Skippy Peanut Butter, and we also got oatmeal squares. That was our shopping haul. What was our grand total? Da 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 da.
226, right?
I don't know. It's too far away. Dad?
No, it says 226.
Okay, 226 is what we spent in total.
For
we'll get
69.
$20 back. That's what we got this month.
Kroger shopping video. Got 2 of these maple pork sausages, cubed ham, milk, creamer, beans, French onion dip, a bell pepper, got some yogurt, pudding pack, and Melissa's favorite sweet Italian Marzetti's, 2 of these dressings, mozzarella, gravy mix, Kraft single cheese. Oh, hoagies. Gonna make some sandwiches later. She'll be doing a video. Stay tuned.